5455, Miami Tower, runway 27, line up away, traffic lining runway 30.
Runway 27, line up away, yellow 5455.
5455, runway 27, flighting 270, clear for takeoff. No delay, traffic 2.5 mile final for the crossing runway.
Okay, clear for takeoff, runway 27, no delay, yellow 5455.
Yellow 5455, turn left direct to Manatee.
Left direct to Manatee, 5455. We need to back to the field, the problem with the horse behind the plane.
Yellow 5455, ready. Clear to Miami International via radar vectors heading 120, maintain 6,000 and expect runway 30.
Okay, 120 the heading and descend to 7,000 is okay for us, yellow 5455.
Yellow 5455, maintain 7,000. You need to declare an emergency?
No, right now, yellow 5455.
Roger. Yellow 5455, say again the nature of your return.
55, declaring emergency. We have an issue with the horse. We are going back to the airport.
Yellow 5455, Roger, understand. Declare an emergency. Turn left, heading 090, and descend and maintain 4,000.
Okay, descend to 4,000, heading 090, yellow 5455. We need to proceed immediately to the airport, sir.
5455, Roger, turn left, heading 060, vector for final approach course, Miami approach 120.5. 5455, Miami approach 120.5. Hello, 5455, Miami approach 120.5.
1205, yellow 5455. Miami Center, yellow 5455, requesting runway 27 for landing.
Hello, 5455, Roger, expect the visual approach runway 27, descend and maintain 3,000.
Visual approach for runway 27, descend to 3,000, yellow 5455. Yes, we do have hazmat on board.
Hello, 5455, flying at 360 and descend and maintain 2,000 for field in sight.
Okay, on the heading 360 and descend to 2,000, understand?
Report to field in sight for yellow 5455.
We do have the field in sight, yellow 5455.
5455, clear visual approach runway 27.
Clear for visual approach, yellow 5455.
Yellow 5455, Miami Tower.
Okay, yellow 5455, visual approach for runway 27.
Yellow 5455, runway 27, clear to land 1010 at 18.
Clear to land, yellow 5455.
Miami Tower, Fire Commander.
Commander, Miami Tower.
Miami Tower, Fire Commander and equipment, holding short of Victor on 1030, permission across 30.
Fire Commander, you're just at taxiway Victor, right? Just one vehicle?
2 vehicles.
Fire Commander, cross runway 30 at taxiway Victor, traffic's on a 3 mile final.
Fire Commander, Roger, crossing runway 30. Miami Tower, Fire Commander and equipment, clear of runway 30.
5455, join Sierra to Cargo City, this frequency.
Will you join in Sierra to Cargo City in this frequency, yellow 5455.
Yellow 5455, did you want the fire response vehicle to follow you to parking?
Negative, man. We're okay now for yellow 5455. We just got a horse going out of the stand.
Sure. Commander, did you copy?
Fire Commander, I got it.